model, 65-plate Vauxhall Vivaro TRAFIC 2 long wheelbase, 2900 1.6CDTI 115PS Sportive H1 van. There's OR repair BEEDS Gearbox repairing bargain. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 116,101. MOT, 2 August 2024. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6115 PSE5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox missing 6th gear and crunching in 2nd. Will need repairing or replacing. Easy job for the right person to get this beauty back on the road. Okay, hand medium light skin tone. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior